Hi, ServiceNow soldiers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. We are watching a transformation program. In my earlier videos, I have covered two major items. One is software asset management, and another one is enterprise change management. So, if you want to know those type of functionality and capability and how ServiceNow is going to support, those items are covered in that videos, so please refer. You will get more insights in that functionalities. In today's session, I'm going to kickstart that integration series. If you are a admin or a developer, you want to transform as an integration specialist, then this video will help you. This video is the right channel to understand, to learn your complete integration baseline. For any reason, I'm already an integration specialist. If I see what I can get a benefit, I can confidently say, if you see this video, then your dots will be connected there. I'm not sure where you are lagging, where you are good, but definitely this video will support you. When you talk about this integration, I feel it can be classified as three items: data integration, ticket integration, tool integration. Normally, without the integration, manage the data, it's very big difficult. But when you are enabling integration solution, it is completely simplified your business requirement. So this integration, sometimes it is simple, sometimes it is medium, sometimes it is complex. How we can define this item is depends your business requirement, depends your target system, depends your existing system health. So many things are associated there, but you just park that item, generic manner, you just hear that integration, how we can classify data integration, ticket integration, tool integration. ServiceNow side, there are four major pillar, or there are four solution element provided to our customer. That's what it is highlighted here. So plugin related approach, second is integration hub and spokes, and third one is a service graph connect, and fourth one is a traditional method that is called business role script include ECCQ scenario. So compare this 1, 2 and 3. This is a traditional method I have already highlighted. So traditional methods, you know well, write a scripts. You can write your script based on your requirement, what do you want. But what is a problem or what is a challenge there? Manage that integration, it's little difficult. Why I need to manage the integration? Because ServiceNow side, every 6 months once we are, that means ServiceNow is releasing a new versions, that each new version is having a new capability. So that time it having a lot of struggles when you are moving from one version to another version. To manage this integration, it is little complex. ServiceNow understand your problem. ServiceNow put a thought process, and finally they provided a three more solution element that is called plugin, integration hub, spokes, and service graph connectors. So what it will do compared to the traditional method? So it's like a plug and play solution, low code no code solution. That's what ServiceNow putting a lens and provided these solution elements. So plugin and service graph connector, it will work similar way. What is a similarity here? Is similarity is there is an out of box configuration, field configurations are there. That means field mapping related activities, ready-made manner it is available. So you can use it for any reason. If you want to configure additional field mapping based on your business requirement, it is easily configurable. So that is a beauty here. So no need to write a major code. Select the field from source, select the field from the target. It is available in your screen, though you can just map it and you can see the magic in the ServiceNow instance. Then third one, what is the difference is, this is a low code no code format. Normally we call it integration hub, flow designer, sparks. So these are all the things, it comes under your low code no code. What it means is you need to write some codes but not a major code. Next thing is that error handling is pretty much important role playing in your integration, right? That error handling is completely simplified in your integration hub, flow designer, spokes scenario. So there is a concept called retry mechanism, etc. It is available. So that retry mechanism simplified, error handling also simplified in your flow designer, integration hub, and spokes. Okay, now can we compare this plugin and service graph connector with integration hub? What is a major item? I already explained plugin and service graph connector similar, but the thing is there is a ready-made field mapping, it is already available. So if you have a business requirement, then you can add a field mapping and achieve it. But integration hub and spokes side, what you need to do is, specifically in the field mapping, you need to write from A to Z. That means what are all the fields from source and what are all the fields from target, you need to manually map, you need to manually configure from scratch. That is a one difference. You can see it. Next, this similarity, plugin, integration hub, and service graph connector, this similarity is, first thing is it's like a subscription oriented. It's not free of cost. So when you purchased the license from ServiceNow aspect, some plugins, some service graph connectors, some items by default it will come, but additional item is required in integration aspect, then you must purchase that option to utilize these functionalities. So here I just explained the plugin for a sample example. Discovery, it is part of your plugin. Discovery, it is part of your IT operation management, and you need to purchase that ITOM related plugin to enable this discovery. And service graph connector, you take SCM, Intune. These are all the famous tools in the market, and mostly it handles your user devices. So ServiceNow provides the simplified solution via this service graph connector. So both you can do a plug and play. Integration hub point of view, some low code scenario is there. You need to write some codes, but there is no major coding skills are required. If you know the concept, you can easily write the mapping, and you can easily configure the credentials, endpoints, etc. And you can activate your integration in your business environment. And similarity is endpoints, service accounts, error handling, retry mechanism. These all are applicable for this 4 item. So that is a similarity I can see from my side. So when you talk about this integration, business is having a problem statement means immediately we cannot go and kickstart our integration. So to gather the requirement, that requirement should be signed off properly from the customer. So in that scenario, we put our thought process here, that is a documents area. What is a process we need to define for the integration? What is a functional it should behave in the integration side? What is a technical approach it should behave in the integration side? These three items we need to define it. When this three item it is defined and it is properly signed off by the customer, then you can start your development. So when you are preparing this item itself, you need to select out of four which is apt solution for your business problem statement. You need to select it and you need to explain that information in this documents and get a proper sign off. So this is a typical integration work, but it's very simple. I delivered almost 100 plus integrations uh, in my ServiceNow career. So this is a major portion. If you understood this major portion, then you can easily handle the integration in your business landscape. So I hope you got little clarity about that integration side from ServiceNow, how it is classified, what are all the functionalities out of box is providing, and at what time I need to select this right option, where I need to use this item in the documents, and how do I convince my customer this is my solution, this is the way it will work. These topics I high level explained in this session. I hope you enjoyed this session. That upcoming series, it will bring more information about your integration types and attachment related integrations, etc. So stay tuned with this channel. Your 15 to 20 minutes, it will be valuable for us. Definitely you will learn something from this channel. Thank you for your time. Good day and goodbye.